Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to make videos using the Locket Widget app. So, first things first, go ahead and open up the Locket Widget app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll see the camera screen right away. Now, by default, if you just tap the big button at the bottom, it'll take a photo. But if you want to record a video instead, just press and hold that same button and keep holding it. Once you do, the app will automatically start recording. Now, here's the thing. If pressing and holding the button doesn't start recording, that usually means your device doesn't currently support video recording inside the Locket Widget app. Don't worry though, you can try a few fixes. First, open up the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for Locket Widget and see if there's an update button. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Sometimes new updates enable video support or fix recording bugs. If updating doesn't help, your best option is to reach out to the Locket Widget support team. To do that, open the app's page in the Play Store or App Store, scroll down and tap Developer Contact. Then choose email and explain that you can't record videos. The team will get back to you with steps or fixes specific to your device. After updating the app or getting instructions from support, open the Locket Widget app again and test the video feature one more time. And that's it. That's how you make videos in the Locket Widget app step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.